Such a unique property. This oversized Garrison home features gleaming hardwood flooring, open floor plan, gorgeous granite kitchen, SS appliances, built-in buffet area, walk-in pantry and cabinets galore. First floor half bath with laundry hookup, front to back living room, wrap beamed family room with French doors leads to screened-in porch. Second floor hosts all the bedrooms and a full bath, 2-car attached garage with in-law. Above features cherry kitchen with granite, SS appliances, living room, full bath and bedroom, perfect for a stay-at-home college student. Full unfinished basement, nice large backyard, is plenty big for the kids and family pets.